guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find the zoom and flip filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, so here I'm in trending section. Here slide up. Okay, until you see this image, this is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, in this filter you can use picture from your camera roll also. Okay, so this is the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for zoom and flip. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see the record button. You can tap there to use this effect. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from here also, from discover, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page again in TikTok. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.